Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of division. Today also we are going to see division word problems.
Children, today we are going to see word problems in chapter 2.
Mr. Roy had
1455 buttons. He packed all the buttons equally into 3 bags. How many buttons were there in each bag? Listen. Mr. Roy had 1455 buttons. All these buttons are packed equally into 3 bags. So, here 1455 buttons are packed into 3 different bags equally. Then each bag carries how much? So 3 units equal to 1455. Then we have to find for 1 unit. 1 unit equal to, you have to divide all the buttons by 3. Then you will get the answer for 1 unit. Okay. Here estimation is done. 1455 is approximately equal to 1500. To find this, you have to say the table 3, multiplication table 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So you have to take it 1200. 12 means 1200 because 4 digits are there. So we have to consider like this. Then 3 5s are 15. 1500. 3 5s are 15 means to consider it as 4 digit, we have to write it like this. Okay. 1455 is nearer to 1500, which is not nearer to 1200. So we have to consider this. If you consider this, how many times you get 15? 5 times. So 500 into 3 is equal to 1500. So you will get the answer as 500. If you want to check it, you have to do normal calculation. 1455 divided by 3. First consider first consider 1 is smaller than 3, so we cannot divide it. You have to consider 2-digit number. 3 4s are 12, so we have to take it 3 4s are 12. Subtract these two, what will we get? 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring down this 5. How many times you get 25? 8 times you get 24 only. 8 3s are 24. If you take 9, then you will get 27. So 24. If you subtract these two values, what will we get? 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So we no need to put 0 here. If you want, you can write it. Here also 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down next number. If you bring down next number, then we will get 15. How many times you will get 15 using 3 table? 5 times. 5 3s are 15. You have to be very thorough in tables, children. 15 minus 15, 0. So you got the answer as 435. If you divide 1455 buttons into 3 bags equally, 1455 buttons will be divided equally into 3 bags. Next question. There are 2630 adults at a carnival. There are 5 times as many adults as children at the carnival. How many children are there? How many adults are there? 2630 adults. How many children are there? We cannot find it because it is not given. So look over adults value in second sentence. There are 5 times as many adults as children. Children oda strength 1 part எடுத்துட்டோம்னா adults ஓட strength எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் 5 times அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ 5 டைம்ஸ் அதிகமாக போட்டோம்னா அது டோட்டல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 2630. சில்ட்ரனோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த் 1 பார்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா அடல்ட்ஸோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த் சில்ட்ரனோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த் மாதிரியே 5 டைம்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த 5 டைம்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆனதோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த்து தான் 2630 adults. Then how can you find for children? If you get overall value as 2630, you have to divide it by 5 because it is divided into 5 parts, right? So divide 2630 by 5 to find 1 unit. 1 as same as 1 part in adult and children. You have to find 1 unit by dividing 2630 by 5. Okay? If you divide this value, what will we get? Before finding the divided value, you have to find estimated value. 2630. Use 5 table. How many times you get 26? Look, first 2-digit number. Thousands place and hundreds place. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. So you have to take the approximate value as 25. Consider these 2 digits, children. For remaining 2 digits, you have to put 0. 5 5s are 25. So you have to write it like this. 2630 is approximately equal to 2500. Now divide 2500 by 5. How many times you will get 25? 5 times. 25. You have to consider these 2 numbers. These 2 digits. 5 5s are 25. Then put the remaining zeros as it is. So 500 into 5 is equal to 2500. Now use normal division. Look here. 2630 divided by 5. No, because 2 is smaller than 5. Now consider 2-digit number. Say 5 table until you reach 26 or before 26. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. If you put 6 times, it will cross after 26. So you have to take 5 5s are 25. Subtract these two. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 3. Now say 5 table until reaches 13. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. If you put 3 times, it crosses 13. So you have to take before value. 5 2s are 10. Subtract these two values. 3 minus 0, 3. Bring down 0. Until it reaches 30. 5 6 are 30. Subtract these two. You got the remainder as 0 but after subtracting 30 minus 30. So your answer is 526. Is it nearer to 500? Yes. 526 is nearer to 500. Therefore, there are 526 children. All these 4 sums are your homework part, children.
All the homework sums are as same as the previous problems we have done in video. Hope you all understood. Thank you, my dear kids.